Are you ready to supercharge your studies and work with the power of AI? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT effectively to boost productivity, simplify tasks, and unlock your full potential. Let's dive in. First up, summarizing and paraphrasing. ChatGPT can simplify complex articles, lecture notes, or lengthy reports into key points. Just paste the content and ask for a summary. It's perfect for academic comprehension and professional decision-making. Need study guides or exam prep? ChatGPT can help you create customized outlines and even generate practice questions. It's like having a virtual tutor available 24/7. Struggling with ideas? Use ChatGPT for brainstorming. Whether it's essay topics or creative solutions for business challenges, ChatGPT can provide fresh perspectives and innovative ideas. Writing made easy. ChatGPT can assist in drafting essays, reports, emails, and proposals, ensuring your work is clear and professional. It's your AI writing assistant. Need to translate languages or learn new ones? ChatGPT's translation features can support language studies or help you communicate with international colleagues effectively. For coders and tech enthusiasts, ChatGPT can explain algorithms, generate code snippets, or debug your code, saving you hours of effort. Stay organized with ChatGPT. It can help you plan schedules, prioritize tasks, and set reminders, ensuring you stay on top of your academic and professional responsibilities. Boost your critical thinking by discussing topics with ChatGPT. Explore different viewpoints and make well-informed decisions in your studies and work. Automate repetitive tasks with ChatGPT. From generating reports to drafting standard responses, you can focus on what truly matters. Finally, stay ahead with continuous learning. Use ChatGPT to access tutorials, summarize studies, and explore new tools to grow academically and professionally. ChatGPT is your ultimate productivity partner for studies and work. With its versatility, you can save time, enhance understanding, and foster creativity. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on Sadman Insights.